The Pharmaceutical Sciences Research Institute, or the PSRI, in the pharmacy school allows the resources for faculty and students to conduct basic bench-level pharmaceutical science research in various disease states and indications that are commonly treated by pharmacists.
The capabilities of the PSRI are sizable. The Institute provides analytical and bioanalytical support to faculty and students in their research.
The faculty and students in the pharmacy school work on a broad range of research topics, including discovery of new drugs for treatment of various diseases, which would include cancer, cardiovascular disease, central nervous disease. We have researchers that specialize in optimal therapeutic delivery of ocular drugs for new treatment routes and new routes of administration in order to treat difficult resistant diseases.
You know, it's a different aspect than actual patient therapy and treatment, but you're also providing for a patient. You know, you're not getting the one-on-one with a patient, but in an indirect way, you're, looking at valuable information and providing valuable information for others to use for patients to better their quality of life.
For students, it takes a classroom lesson in a textbook and brings it to life.
We worked with breast cancer drugs, and I have, many friends whose mothers or family members suffered from that, and they've talked to me about the side effects from the drugs, and just being able to find a way to put more information out there to help ease their pain means a lot to me.
It challenges them to think outside of the box and to be able to develop their logical problem-solving skills and working on cutting-edge new research topics and the discovery and development of new therapeutic entities to treat disease.
It gives me a chance to be able to see things in a new light, not just in a textbook or on a lecture slide. It allows me to actually see it in person in a petri dish or test tube.
This might be something I'd like to do in the future, and having never really seen and experienced research before, it was a great opportunity to really get involved and just to see things from a different perspective.
The research experience allows students to take what they've learned in the classroom and come into the laboratory and actually apply that in a hands-on setting.
This hands-on setting goes to the core of Samford's mission of teaching with a focus on discovery.
Definitely. It's a good opportunity for us, and also provides us with just additional knowledge, and a lot of the things that we look at are questions that are unanswered, and so it's a good way for us to also give back to the community too.
Gaining research in pharmacy school will allow our students who may be interested in going into research to work at biotech companies or drug companies in order to do drug discovery, drug development, and testing of these new entities from a pharmaceutical standpoint.
Bench research isn't what everybody's going to want to do, but it's not something we necessarily see in our regular curriculum, and so the opportunity to at least rule it out, and even if this isn't something you want to do long term, I feel like the experience I've gained through it is something that could help me in any realm of pharmacy or anything I do in the future.
We are really making a difference through the Pharmaceutical Sciences Research Institute. Our faculty and students routinely present posters, publish papers, and we are working on dozens of compounds which we hope will impact medicine for generations to come.